Good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Can you hear me properly, clearly?
Yes.
Then can you see my face properly?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Can we start?
Yes.
Okay. We don't want to waste much time. First, we can revise last day's 2 topics, or this chapter's 2 new topics we have learned: vertex and diagonals. Before starting the class, dear children, I'll be reminding you one thing. Please don't unmute your audio. If I am not asking any question, don't unmute. Okay? If I am asking questions to you, you can touch your audio symbol and you can unmute. Okay? If I am asking questions to you. Okay?
Yes.
Then, this chapter, we have learned 2 new words. First one is vertex. Okay, I will be calling the name. That person only want to answer. Okay? Naila. Can you hear me, Naila? Naila, can you hear me?
Yes.
Will you tell what is vertex?
The point
Yes, the point
where
where
last 2 sides of a figure
at least 2 sides of a figure
is called vertex.
meet is called vertex. Very good, Naila. Very good. Very good. So the point where at least 2 sides of a figure meet is called vertex. Then, and one more word we have studied, diagonal. I'll be asking, Adhika, can you tell what is diagonal? Do you know, Adhika?
I know, ma'am. Adedina.
Okay, I'll be asking you, wait. Let Adhika say. If she don't know, you can answer, okay?
Okay.
Adhika, do you know the answer?
No.
No. Then Advait can say.
A stand line.
Not stand here,
stand.
straight. Very good effort. But
A
that is not
straight line
a straight
inside
line.
a shape that join the opposite vertex is called diagonal.
Okay, a straight line. A diagonal is a straight line inside a shape. Inside a shape that joins opposite vertices.
Opposite vertices is called
A
diagonal.
straight line inside a shape that joins opposite vertices. That is diagonals. Today I will show you one more example for showing you how to name this diagonals, vertices, sides and all. And I will be giving one question for you people to do. You have to do them. Are you ready, my dear children?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am going to show an example that you don't want to copy down. Okay, dear children?
Yes.
And the next question only you want to do, that I will tell you what you want to do. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
No need to write anything now. Please listen. Okay. Now, I hope you can see a rectangle on the screen.
No, ma'am, I cannot see.
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
I can see. I can see.
Now I hope
Somebody
you can
scribble.
see the. Okay,
Somebody
okay. All of
scribble.
you mute your audio and don't play with your device.
Somebody scribble.
That is so. Somebody is scribbling. Is it a good habit?
No.
Disturbing the class?
No.
No. I know 3F children are very good children. Then who is doing this? Please rub it now itself. I know how to rub this, but I am not going to rub. Those who have done this should rub. And don't repeat it. I'm going to record this. Rub it fast, everything. And I'm going to name this rectangle as P Q R S. P Q R S. Dear children, now I mark or I put black dots, points. What is that? What is this black points? What is this black points? Can anybody? Shabari?
Ma'am?
What do you call these black points? Vertices. These points are vertices. Yes, very good. Then Ameya. Ameya.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name these vertices?
P
P,
S
comma, Q, comma, then
S R.
R, S. That is correct answer. R,
Somebody scribble.
R, S. P,
Somebody scribble.
Q, R, comma, S. Now, dear children, can you see the sides of the rectangle?
Yes.
Yes.
Lysel,
Yes.
Yes.
can you see the 4 sides?
Yes.
What is the color of the sides?
Somebody. Ma'am, I cannot see because they are scribbling. I can also not see.
I can also not see.
Now, can you see the
I
screen
cannot
properly, dear
also
children?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, you can see Lysel.
Yes.
What is the color of the sides? Lines.
Black.
Is it black in color? That
No.
sides?
Red.
Red.
Red. These red color lines are 4 red color line segments are the sides. Will you name those sides?
Yes.
Children, now
Yes,
2-3 times I told, don't scribble on the board. Don't draw on the board. See, I can see your videos from here. Now I am going to record the person, those who are doing this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now who will name this?
Ma'am, this has to like this. Ma'am.
Who will name this? Sides. Who knows the answer? Reika. Okay.
Ma'am, I know.
Let Reika say the answer. Name 4 sides, Reika.
PQ.
Very good. PQ. Then let Reika say the answer. Others don't open your mouth. Q R. Then
RS.
very good. RS. Very good. Then
SP.
SP. Very good. PQ. QR. RS and SP. Very good, Reika. Now, dear children, now I am going to draw 2 black lines inside this tape. Now, Arav Krishna, can you name those black lines? What is the name of those black lines? Can you name those black lines? Arav.
Ma'am, I also know this answer.
No, I am asking, what is the name of those lines? We will call one name, no dear. These lines are the lines inside a shape that joins opposite vertices are called.
Ma'am, I know.
Anay, tell me the answer. Diagonals. Very good. Diagonals. Now, will you name those diagonals? One minute, dear children.
Ma'am, I will tell.
Let Anay say the answer. Anay, will you name those diagonals?
Yes.
Okay. Black lines are the diagonals. Will you name those diagonals?
Yes.
PQ. PQ. You can see red line. PQ is a red line. Not PQ, dear. Anay? PR. Very good. That black lines. PR. They are the diagonals. PR. Then QS. Very good. PR. QS. These are the 2 diagonals. Now, have you understood, dear children?
Yes.
If I am giving one question to you, will you do that?
Yes.
Wait, dear children. Please don't unmute. Now I am going to mute you all. And I am going to give you a question. You don't want to draw the rectangle. You only want to write the answer for the questions. Okay?
In a
You
notebook
don't
or
want to
book.
draw the rectangle. Have you understood?
Rough book.
In the rough book. You can take your rough book, take your pencil, and you don't want to draw the rectangle. I am going to ask some question. For that, you want to answer. You want to write the answer. Okay?
Okay.
W, X, Y, Z. No, dear, you don't want to draw this rectangle. Now, I hope you all can see the letters
No.
W,
Ma'am,
X,
no.
Y, Z.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Advait, can't you see the
Yes.
board? What about others?
Yes.
All can see the board.
Yes.
Okay. Then Advait, check with your device.
Okay.
Now, you can see the black points. You know, those points are the
Now I can see.
vertices.
Now
So
I can see.
everybody in between, please don't talk, dear children. First, you name the vertices. First, you name the vertices. You don't want to say the answer. You have to write in your rough book. Name the vertices. You don't want to draw the rectangle also.
Only write
Yes, all of you write, dear children. No need to say answer now.
I am only write the vertices.
First you write the vertices.
Right now.
Write vertices and name the vertices. Name of 4 vertices.
W.
Don't say anything now. Don't share your answer now. You can write in your rough book. I will be asking later. Let others complete. After that, I'll give you chance for saying the answer. After that, you can name the sides, red lines, sides. Those red lines, you can name using 2 letters. 4 sides are there. You can name those sides. And I'm going to draw 2 black lines inside the shape. You know, these black lines are diagonals. These black lines are diagonals. And all of you, please name those black lines. That means diagonals.
Finish.
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 Very good,
Finish.
very good,
Sides
very good.
finish.
Now,
Sides diagonal.
do it fast. No need to draw the rectangle.
I'm
Only
finished.
want to write the vertices, sides, and diagonals.
Don't rub. I'm finished.
Okay, I'm going to stop sharing and I want to everybody show me your notebook. Let me see whether you have done or what. All of you show me your notebook. All of you. Show me a notebook. Dear children, can you hear me?
Yes.
Show me a notebook. Everybody. Muhammad Sayan. Okay, okay. Arav. Devananda.
Diagonal.
Alvina. Alvina. Where is your book?
A, B, B, C, C, D, D.
Okay. Then Ameya. Show me. Everybody. Asher. Darus.
Yes, ma'am.
Not completed, Darus?
Ma'am, last one.
Do fast. Erin, Shribhadra,
A, B, C,
Adinath.
A, B, B, C.
Okay. Now,
W, X,
okay, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good.
My last two is not completed.
Yes. Now, I want answer.
W, H.
Shabari. Shabari, will you name the vertices? Vertices.
A, B, C, C, D, E.
Can you hear me, Shabari?
Yes.
Will you name the
W,
vertices?
W.
Others, please don't answer. Shabari, can you? Can you hear me, Shabari?
Myself.
Shabari, unmute and say, dear. Unmute. Where are you going, Shabari? Unmute and say, dear.
Y.
Unmute, dear. Next time you learn how to unmute. Darus.
Yes, ma'am.
Name 4 vertices. Shabari, listen.
W.
W. Very good. Then, comma. Sorry. Others, please don't make sound, dear children. Let Daru say answer. W.
D.
Then
I. A. G. O.
X. Then comma.
I.
Y.
G. I.
Comma. Then
D. I.
others, please don't make
G.
sound. All of
O.
you
N.
mute
A.
your device
G.
except Darus.
G. O.
W, comma, X, comma, Y, comma. One more is there, dear. Will you name that? Z. Very good. Very good, Darus. Excellent. Next, I'm going to ask. Alvina, will you name sides of this rectangle? Will you name sides of this rectangle?
W.
Very good. W, X. Others, please mute your audio. W, X, then, sorry, W, X, then, wait. Now I muted you all. Please don't unmute. Only Alvina want to unmute. Now, sides W, X. Alvina, next side.
Z.
After W, X, which is the next side?
Y.
X.
Y.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
Let Alvina say answer. After W, X. X, Y. Now who else know the answer?
Ma'am.
You can tell me. Who is calling me, ma'am? Who knows the answer? Raise your hand. Adhika. Adhika can tell me the answer.
W. X.
Very good. Then
X. Y.
X, Y. Okay.
Y. Z.
Okay. Y, Z. Then
Z. W.
Z, W. Very good. W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, and Z, W. Next, I want diagonals name from Shravan. Will you name the diagonals? Shravan? Pass.
Yes.
Will you name diagonals? Black lines? Will you?
Yes.
Tell. Black lines. W.
X.
Is it X? Black line W.
I can say.
W.
Y.
Y. Very good. W, Y. Then
Z.
X, Z. Very good. Very good, Shravan. W, Y, X, Z. These are the 2 diagonals. Very good. Very good. Now I hope you people will be having workbook. Most of you will be having workbook. I know a few children don't have. No problem. Those who have workbook with you, please take the workbook, page number 1. We are going to discuss last day's homework answers. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Take your.
I have one doubt.
Who is having one doubt? You can ask me.
Here,
Here.
look, here we want to write vertex or diagonal.
Sorry.
And this question number 5.
Workbook. From workbook, now we are going to discuss those things, those questions. Okay.
Okay.
Now, take your workbook, take your pencil. Those who have already done, you can check your answer whether it is correct or wrong. Okay. And dear children, please mute your audio. Can you see the screen, dear children?
Yes,
properly?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, I cannot see.
Somebody is again scribbling on the board.
Yeah, ma'am, I can see.
I know
Now
you
I
all are
can
good
see.
children. Very good. Don't repeat
On
it again.
white board.
Okay.
And
Now we can discuss first question first. I will call the name. They only want to say answer. Okay. Andrea. Andrea, first question. The shape of shape of the coin is a dash. The shape of that coin is a dash. Option A, circle, B, square, C, rectangle, and D, triangle. What is the answer, Andrea? Andrea, circle, yes. So first question answer, option A, circle.
second question.
I hope you all have done that.
Second question.
Now,
Second question.
dear children, don't scribble on the screen.
Now, second question, ma'am.
Second question. The triangle is a dash figure. Triangle is a dash figure.
Two.
Ayan ke saji.
Not triangle.
Ayan ke saji. I am
2D.
asking you,
Two
Ayan.
diagonal. Two diagonal.
Option A, 2D. Option B, closed. Option C, both A and B.
Option A.
Option D, open.
Option A.
Dear children,
Option A.
triangle is a 2D shape. It's a correct answer. Is triangle a closed figure? Is triangle a closed figure?
No. Open
Yes,
figure.
triangle is a closed figure also. So triangle is a 2D figure and a closed figure. So which option will be the answer?
A
Option?
and B.
Option C. Very good. Option C. Now,
Option C.
one, I want answer from Krishna Kalesh. What is third question? The shape of the given image is dash. Square. Very good. Rectangle. Option B. Rectangle. Very good. Next, question 2.
And somebody is scribbling.
Agna. Next question to Agna. Please unmute. The point where at least two sides of a figure meet is called a dash.
Vertex.
Vertex. Very good. The answer is vertex. Option C. Vertex. Because it is a point. What point? Where at least two sides of a figure meet. Now, next question to
Ma'am,
the
Daros.
person Arav Krishna. Next one is Arav Krishna. You should answer. A straight line that joins the opposite vertices of a closed figure is called dash. Arav. Arav, can you hear me? Arav.
Diagonal.
Diagonal. Very good. Diagonal. So we can revise this fourth and fifth question once again. The point where at least two sides of a figure meet is called? A very good vertex. Fifth question. A straight line that joins the opposite vertices of a closed figure is called?
Diagonal.
Diagonal. Very good. Next, we are going to discuss some few more questions. Please wait. Few more questions we have to discuss. Dear children, don't scribble on the screen like this.
Use my chair.
Okay, dear children. Sixth question. I will be asking to. Bandan is there here. Bandan.
Advaita ma'am. Advaita.
Yes, Adnan, you already got one chance. Now let others say.
ACBD.
Abhinav Krishna. Abhinav, can you hear me?
ACBD. ACBD.
Abhinav.
ACBD.
Abhinav.
ACBD. ACBD. ACBD.
Oh, very good. The diagonals inside the figure, inside the rectangle ABCD are, which all are the diagonals?
ABCD.
Which are the diagonals?
CBD. ACBD.
ACBD. Very good. Anika Advait is answering properly. Very good. Very good, Advait. AC, option C.
Seventh I know.
BD.
Two-dimensional.
Now,
2D. 2D.
Advait, next, let others answer, okay?
Okay.
Now, Hanna. Can you hear me, Hanna? Next, who else? Hanna and Karthikeyan, please turn on your video.
I know the answer.
Next, question 2. Others, please mute your audio.
From the
Lysel, can you hear me, Lysel? Can you hear me?
I am saying, ma'am.
Okay. A triangle has dash diagonals.
I know.
No diagonals. Very good. Advait, a circle has dash vertices.
0.
0 or no vertices. Very good. Very good, Lysel. Very good, Advait. Next, Anay. Anay, a square and rectangle have dash vertices. How many vertices?
4 vertices.
4 vertices. Others are answering. Okay, 4 vertices. Some are busy with the scribbling, I think. 4 vertices. So we can write once
on the
more.
board.
A triangle has no diagonals. A circle has A circle has no vertices. A circle has no vertices. And a square and rectangle have 4 vertices. Dear children, hope you understood all these things.
Yes.
We can meet next day. Okay? Thank you, my dear children. Bye.
Bye and bye. Bye.